జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సీత, దశరథ మహారాజు, మై ఫాదర్ సెండింగ్ మీ టు ద ఫారెస్ట్. హో సీతే, ధర్మజ్ఞే ధర్మచారిణి శృణు జానకీ. I know that you are so righteous. Sita, I know that you always follow righteous steps. Please listen to me carefully. I am going to tell everything that happened in palace of Kaikamma. Like that Ramachandra Swami told everything what happened there in Kaika Bhavanam. He told everything to Sita Devi and tells that, "Ho Site, I am now going to go to forest. On my way, I came here to tell you that I am leaving. Ho Site, you be safe and you be careful and never ever tell great things about me in front of Bharata. Ho Sita, don't expect great honor for you in this kingdom. Just lead a very common life. Ho Sita, take care of my father, take care of my mother, all other mothers also just like my mother. Please take care of every one of them. Do not carry any kind of anger in your heart towards my father or my mother or anyone. Ho Sita, Bharata and Shatrughna are more than my life. I like them so much. Please treat them just like your children and take care of them just like your children or just like your siblings. Ho Sita, please take care of everything and keep on doing Devata Radhana, all vratas and fastings for me to come back safe. Like that Rama told everything, telling so many things to Sita Devi, and then he is about to leave. Ramachandra Swami, just before leaving to Aranyavasam, Rama is now giving all kind of precautions to Sitamma. Rama says that, "Ho Sita, you have to behave very nicely. Do not go against Bharata. Bharata, he is not only the king for the kingdom, but also he is the master of this house. So you should not be doing whatever that he does not like. So you behave very nicely and also keep on doing Devata Radhana, fastings and vratas for my well-being." Like this, when Rama started giving precautions to Sitamma, when Rama started asking Sita to be here in the kingdom, now Sitamma is saying that, "Oh Rama, what is this? What are you talking all this with enough amount of love and also which is mixed with anger?" Now Sitamma is saying these things to Rama. "Oh Rama, I am feeling like laughing at you when you are talking like this. Oh Rama, Pita, Mata, Bhrata, Putra, father, mother, brother, children, in this entire world, all these people, they do their own karma charana, and based on that they undergo the experiences of their karma. Whereas only one entity in this entire world, that is wife, that is Dharma Patni, She always takes part in the karmacharana of husband. She is not a separate entity. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.